what's on TV today.
All right, good afternoon and welcome to LMU Bio 111 News. Our top story tonight, Catagnatha, friend or foe. Commonly referred to as arrowworm, they can be found in all bodies of water, including coastlines, deep oceans, and lagoons. As their name suggests, the Catagnatha have a worm-like body with paired lateral fins and a tail fin. But their most defining characteristics are the spines and hooks that are located laterally to its mouth and the sharp teeth that are found in front.
Let's see what else is on.
Hi, and welcome back to a special Bio 111 edition of Jeopardy! Cheyenne, since you're in the lead, categories to you.
How about Catagnatha for 100?
Answer, hermaphrodites.
What is the reproductive mode of Catagnatha?
That is correct. The Catagnatha are hermaphrodites. They have paired ovaries in their trunks and paired testes in their tails. However, the cross-fertilization is still their most common form of reproduction. And moving on. Cheyenne, the board is yours.
Alright, let's do Catagnatha for 200, please.
Answer, Phragmorpha and Aphragmorpha.
What are the major groups of Catagnatha?
Correct. Phragmorpha and Aphragmorpha are the two major groups of Catagnatha, and they are distinguished by the presence of lateral, transverse muscle bands.
Let's go for 300.
Answer, the time period of Catagnatha origin. Correct. Unfortunately, the fossilization potential of the delicate bodies of the Catagnatha is very low, and consequently their fossil record is poor. However, they are presumed to be from the Cambrian period due to fossilization found from their chitinous grasping apparatus, which has a somewhat greater chance to become fossilized.
Lots of programs on Catagnatha today, huh?
All right, welcome back to Bio 111 art class. As you can see, we've built our phylogenetic trees here, and the key thing that we want to observe today is Catagnatha. Catagnatha on our data matrix tree is located with its sister taxon, Annelida. However, when we look at the 16S tree, Catagnatha is located with the Arthropoda. The difference between these two trees is on the data matrix side, we're dealing with physical characteristics, whereas on the 16S side, we're dealing with DNA. From the physical characteristics side, Annelida, or earthworm, is much similar to the Catagnatha arrowworms. Whereas here, a deeper dive into the genetics shows that in fact Arthropoda is the closest relative, much more so than Annelida. All right, and then on this side we have the academic journals, and there's a lot of debate out there whether the Catagnatha featured here above is actually a protozoan or a deuterosome. This specific journal argues that it is a deuterosome and most closely related to the nematode, a fellow deuterosome organism.
All right, what's going on in sports?
And LMU Lions take home a big victory over the Cal Poly Mustangs, 61-17. They really ate them alive out there. What do you say, Bob?
I'd say the lions look like predators out there. You could go ahead and call them Catagnatha. Catagnatha are carnivorous predators, mostly feeding on capopods, phytoplankton, fish larvae, and other arrowworms also.
I agree. The Mustangs look absolutely stunned, similar to how the prey of the Catagnatha feel when they're paralyzed by the neurotoxins found in the spines of the Catagnatha. Further, the lions look right through the defensive schemes of the Mustangs. Interestingly, many species of Catagnatha are transparent, and so under a microscope, you can view it in its entire digestive process.
That's a fun fact. In related news, we'd like to give a happy birthday to Julius Randle, who had just completed 23 years of age. He may be young compared to NBA players, but he is old compared to the Catagnatha. The Catagnatha are photozoa that skip the larvae stage and go immediately full into growth immediately after birth. Typically 6-week lifespan in warm water species, but also there's a 2-year lifespan in the cold water species.
Hey honey, you're gonna be late for school. You better make like Catagnatha and get moving.
Huh?
The Catagnatha move by using their tail fins for locomotion. The side fins are used for stability and not movement. Vertical movement is regulated by ammonia-filled vacuolated cells in a trunk which regulate buoyancy. The Catagnatha are known to go through daily vertical migrations.
Thanks, Mom. Now I'm more than ready for my bio presentation today.